In today's video, we're going to explore what happens to your body if you do 1,000 jumping jacks every day. Have you ever thought about the impact that an exercise as simple as jumping jacks can have on your body? Today, we're going to explore 10 unexpected benefits of doing 1,000 jumping jacks daily. We'll dive deeper into each of the 10 benefits, showing how this classic move can transform your health. And at the end, get ready for our bonus, a detailed tutorial to make sure you're doing jumping jacks correctly and maximizing your results. Did you know that a 154-pound person can burn around 200 calories by doing 1,000 jumping jacks? According to Harvard Health Publishing, that's like a 20-minute cardio workout, making it about as effective as a light jog for the same amount of time. Now imagine adding this to your daily routine. That's 1,400 calories burned every week, which can make a huge difference in your health and fitness journey. So, get ready to explore the benefits in detail and compare them to other aerobic exercises. Let's go! Jumping jacks are super versatile. You can change them to fit your fitness level and goals. One popular kind is the side jumping jack. It's easy and works great, but there are other ways to do them, depending on your needs and health. Which muscles do jumping jacks work? They're a full-body workout that's effective and dynamic. Your calf muscles, which help you jump, get stronger with all that hopping. Your quads and hamstrings, in the front and back of your thighs, power your jumps. Your glutes, important for hip stability, help you balance with every jump. Your core, which includes your abs and lower back muscles, helps you keep good posture. This protects your spine and strengthens your tummy. Your arms and shoulders get a workout too, moving up and down, toning your upper body. With all these muscles working together, jumping jacks are a complete and effective exercise. By working lots of muscle groups together, like your legs, core, and shoulders, jumping jacks are a practical way to get stronger. Now let's dive into the 10 amazing health benefits of doing 1,000 jumping jacks every day. The first benefit is improved cardiovascular health. Jumping jacks, with their aerobic nature, quickly increase your heart rate, strengthening your heart and lungs, speeding up your metabolism, and helping you burn calories efficiently. According to the American Heart Association, aerobic activities that keep your heart rate up help lower LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, and control blood pressure. 20 minutes of jumping jacks offers similar cardiovascular benefits to cycling at 10 miles per hour for the same amount of time. Another awesome benefit, the second one, is efficient calorie burning, which goes hand in hand with weight loss. A 154-pound person can burn about 10 calories per minute doing jumping jacks, totaling 200 calories for 1,000 repetitions. That's comparable to a light jog, but jumping jacks have the advantage of working your upper and lower body muscles at the same time. Plus, studies published in obesity reviews show that high-intensity exercises like jumping jacks boost your metabolism for up to 24 hours after your workout. The third combined benefit is stronger bones and increased bone density. High-impact exercises like jumping jacks stimulate bone growth, which helps prevent osteoporosis. Plyometric movements, like those in this exercise, get your joints moving and make your bones denser, which is also essential for preventing osteoporosis. According to the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research, activities that involve jumping significantly increase bone density, especially in the legs and hips. This doesn't happen with low-impact exercises like cycling or swimming. The fourth benefit, which I'm sure you'll be very interested in, is improved coordination and balance. Doing jumping jacks requires you to move your arms and legs at the same time, which challenges your brain and central nervous system. Studies from the Journal of Neurophysiology show that exercises requiring motor coordination improve neural connections, leading to better balance and a reduced risk of falls, especially in older adults. Stress reduction and mood improvement is the fifth benefit. Like any aerobic exercise, jumping jacks release endorphins, which are the feel-good hormones. According to the Mayo Clinic, regular aerobic exercise can be as effective as antidepressant medication for mild depression. Plus, the rhythmic movement has an almost meditative effect, helping to reduce anxiety. Friends, if you're enjoying this video and finding it valuable, and if you like getting content about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life, Take a second right now to subscribe to our channel. The sixth benefit, certainly a highly desired one, is increased muscle endurance. Doing 1,000 jumping jacks daily strengthens your major muscle groups, allowing them to work longer without getting tired. According to the National Strength and Conditioning Association, repetitive exercises like jumping jacks improve muscle efficiency by increasing anaerobic endurance. And how great is it to sleep well? That's why I love the next benefit so much: improved sleep quality. Research published in Sleep Medicine Reviews shows that regular aerobic exercise helps regulate sleep cycles, leading to more restful nights. Because they increase circulation and reduce stress, jumping jacks can be especially helpful for those who have trouble sleeping. Core strengthening is the eighth benefit. Your core is engaged throughout the entire jumping jacks movement, helping stabilize your body and protect your spine. Studies in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research show that exercises combining dynamic movements and stabilization are effective for strengthening the core and reducing lower back pain. Now for a benefit that both women and men really want: abdominal fat reduction, the ninth benefit. While jumping jacks don't specifically target your abs, they do promote overall calorie burning, which includes belly fat. According to the American Council on Exercise, regular aerobic exercise is the most efficient way to reduce visceral fat, which increases the risk of metabolic diseases. And the 10th, combined benefit versatility and practicality. You can do jumping jacks anywhere, and they don't require any equipment, making them ideal for busy people. It's a calisthenics exercise, using only your body weight to build strength and endurance, making it perfect for outdoor workouts or small spaces. And for anyone looking for a quick and efficient exercise that can be easily adapted for different fitness levels. Now, as we promised at the beginning of the video, here's the bonus with a step-by-step tutorial on how to do jumping jacks correctly. There are different types of jumping jacks that you can add to your routine. The lateral jumping jack is the classic version. You move your arms and legs to the side at the same time while you jump. The front jumping jack changes the direction of the movements. You move your arms and legs forward and backward. For people with joint problems, stepping out instead of jumping is a good option. This makes it easier on your joints. A fitness trainer can help you choose the best version for you. They can make sure you're doing the exercises safely and correctly. They can also adjust the exercise to fit your abilities. To do a lateral jumping jack correctly, start with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms at your sides. Tighten your stomach muscles to protect your back and stand up straight. From this starting position, do a quick jump. Move your feet apart and raise your arms above your head at the same time. On the next jump, bring your feet back together and lower your arms. Jump back to the starting position. Keep your knees slightly bent. Make sure to land softly on the balls of your feet. This is easier on your joints. Keep your core tight the whole time. Breathe in through your nose when you jump and breathe out through your mouth when you come back down. Keep doing the jumping jacks at a steady pace. It's important to pay attention to your form when you're exercising. Don't lean forward, turn your feet out, or land too hard. This can hurt your joints. Using an exercise mat or a soft surface can make it easier on your joints and more comfortable. To make it harder, try using light ankle weights or hand weights. Jumping jacks are a fun, effective, and complete way to improve your health and change your body. They're a great way to burn calories, build muscle, and improve your heart health all at once. Jumping jacks are a valuable tool to get in better shape in a way that is both practical and easy to do. Whether you do them as part of your daily workout or as a warm-up, jumping jacks have lots of benefits. They can help you burn calories, build stronger muscles and bones, and they're great for people of all ages and fitness levels. Hey friends, tell us in the comments, have you ever done jumping jacks? Have you ever tried to do 1,000 jumping jacks in one day? What was it like? Share with us. We'd love to hear about it, and it might help others on their fitness journeys. Subscribe to our channel if you like this video so you always get our new videos about health, fitness, sports, and how to live a better life. And show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend watching our other videos. The links are on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and thank you.